After watching this video, you're gonna close 3 clients in the next 30 days. And that is guaranteed. If you do everything that I show you in this video in 30 days and you don't get at least 3 clients, I'm literally deleting my entire channel. And yes, this isn't land 3 clients someday. This is literally landing clients within the next month if you do this right. And before you think this is some sort of miracle or fantasy or just a pie in the sky wish, don't worry, because I have the proof that makes me believe that honestly, if anybody does this, they can make money. For example, this copywriter that just closed a 7.5K deal, and he didn't have to do any outreach. It was just an inbound lead, meaning the client actually outreached to him. That's because of the strategy I'm about to show here in this video. More on that in a second. Another one did a $450 trial and then got hired full-time for $5K per month from one client. And lastly, here's another one that got paid $2.5K to do 5 hours worth of work. That's literally $500 an hour. Now look, I can show all of the results that we have, but I'd be here all day. But these are all the people that I have helped on a one-to-one basis actually do all of this. I haven't shared this much before on YouTube, so this is going to be the first time me revealing these strategies. Yes, and all for absolutely $0. Because there's a whole new type of outreach that 99% of copywriters are just not tapping into. And the reason why is because of some stupid stereotype. Because here's the truth. Instagram outreach, Facebook outreach, cold email, they all work, but they're all pretty difficult to do and time consuming. It is a grind, that is no lie. And you can get tons of clients on there. Trust me, I have lots of screenshots of people making money with those methods as well. But if you're gonna focus 100% on those types of outreach and not even dabble in the type of outreach that I'm about to show you here in this video, you are literally just leaving money and clients on the table. Because what I'm about to show you can get you clients in literally just 1 to 2 hours per day. Because here's the big problem with cold outreach is that you're trying to convince people who don't know you, like you, or trust you, who don't even think that they need copywriting or marketing help in their business anyways, that they need to hire you as their copywriter or their marketer. And the problems with that don't even need to be pointed out. And if you're watching this video already, some of you might have already done this before in the past anyways. Or you're doing it right now, you're trying it, you've been trying it for a few days, trying it for a few weeks, but you haven't really gotten anything yet. But what if there was a way that you could find prospects that actually needed your help right now? I mean, they desperately need you. And all you had to do was prove that you are the right person for the job. And no, I don't mean you have the flashiest portfolio or you have the biggest case studies, just that you are the person that's going to show up and actually work hard for them. Well, that's exactly how this outreach method works, and it's by using Upwork. Now, I know that 99% of people's first impression when they hear Upwork is some guy trying to find an overseas worker for $3 an hour to make him about 100 different emails. And you know what? That's actually not too far from the truth. But at the end of the day, it's a huge pond. That means you're gonna have dudes like that, but you're also going to have legitimate businesses and companies paying people $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. People who have millions and millions of followers who don't know where else to look for a copywriter, so they come to Upwork. I mean, just think of it like this. First of all, these people are already pre-qualified. They already have money. Otherwise, they wouldn't be hiring on Upwork in the first place. And a big reason why outreach is so difficult is because sometimes you're outreaching to people and they just have zero money anyways to pay you in the first place. Second of all, these business owners already know that they need help and they need your help. Hence why they're even on there posting for jobs anyways. In short, instead of outreaching to random people who don't know, like, or trust you, you're outreaching to people who actually want you right now. And this is why not only can you get hired for a lot of money, but you can get hired quick. I've had students literally close their first client on Upwork within an hour of just creating their profile. So not only are people landing 5K, 6K, and 7K deals, but I've even helped somebody close Ty Lopez as a client through Upwork. If you don't know, he was one of the OG marketing guys on the internet, and he's a 9-figure business owner as well. But hey, maybe you're just beginning out and you're just looking for that $500 deal, that $2,000 deal. Bro, that is so easy to get on Upwork, and most people don't even go into it because of what I just said earlier, the big stereotype. So you're sold. You know this works. You know Upwork is a place where you can get clients fast. In fact, 3 clients in the next 30 days if you actually try it all. So what does it look like to actually create a 30-day sprint and make it happen? Well, let me break it down and show it to you. First and foremost, you need to set up your profile. Just like I teach people how to set up their Instagram profile for Instagram outreach, you have to set up your Upwork profile for Upwork outreach as well. Think of it like your sales page, right? And if you're a copywriter, you should know how to make a sales page so your profile is gonna say a lot about you. This is extremely easy. 1, get a very clear and professional profile picture. 2, get the verified blue tick. And then 3, just nail your description. Now, you can obviously talk about yourself a little bit, but it's much better to talk about common issues that most business owners have. For example, chances are your emails aren't making the money that they could. And the reason is because your audience doesn't quite trust you yet. But luckily, turning this situation around is exactly why I'm here to help. And then once you get more expertise, you can actually add that into your social proof as well. For example, the person that I helped land, Tai Lopez, now all he has to do is put that he's worked with Tai Lopez before in the past in his description. And think about how many deals he's gonna be able to get. His resume is always gonna float to the top. His application is always gonna float to the top because he has a huge name that he's worked with. Now, the next move, of course, is going to be searching for jobs. So you're going to get things recommended to you, things like copywriting, lead gen, email marketing. My first rule is just don't apply to everything. First, check that the post has these couple of things. 1, payment verified. 2 is a good rating. 3 is a detailed proposal, and 4 is less than 50 proposals. So now, armed with all of this, it is time for you to apply to some jobs. Don't forget you'll need some connects, but they don't actually cost that much, like I said earlier. Now, when it comes to your proposals, you're gonna wanna use some similar techniques to any other outreach, like email outreach or Instagram outreach, for example. First of all, you need a solid hook. You need to get right to the point. For example, the first 2 lines are the most important because that's what people are going to see before they open up your proposal. Then, of course, you're going to want to show that you did your research and did your homework by making everything as personalized as possible. An easy rule of thumb is that if your proposal, if your email, if your outreach could be looked at by anybody but still be understood, then it's not personalized enough. For example, if I said, hey Tyson, how's it going? I saw your copywriting video. If you sent that to some other guy named John who doesn't do copywriting, he does dropshipping, then that wouldn't make any sense. But that's actually a good thing. That means that it's personal to the person, and the more personal, the better. And now you can write about why you would be the perfect fit for the job. Mention things like your skills, but don't go overboard. Don't be talking about how you can 2x their revenue or make them 100K more money in the next month. You wanna be realistic and show how your skills can translate into them making money. And then lastly, you wanna include a CTA on exactly what they should do next. Now, this is a lot simpler than email, for example. There aren't links or something that they have to click. It's more of a, if you think this proposal could work for you, then send me back an email letting me know. And the end goal is to make your proposal so fire that they literally just cannot say no. And now, as for a bonus tip, make sure you attach a personalized custom Loom that also shows everything that you already typed over to them, because it shows that you're able to go above and beyond. And of course, if you want to know how to make the best banger Looms ever, I have free 2-hour courses on how to get clients and outreach as well. And you can watch those after this one. So look, I'll just hit you where the rubber meets the road. Every day you wait to get started, every day you think that that's a good idea, but you're not gonna do it, is another day that other copywriters, other people who aren't even as experienced, aren't even as smart as you, are scooping up all of the jobs in the market and making all of the money while you just procrastinate. I showed you the exact system with so much proof that it worked. All you have to do is take action on it. So here's a recap of exactly what you're going to do starting today. Today, you're gonna make your Upwork profile. You're gonna build it, add your portfolio, add your testimonials. Don't worry if you don't have a portfolio. I already showed you how to do that on this channel. Videos are here. And then once that's locked in, you just start hunting for jobs. Once you find jobs that apply to you, make sure that you apply to them with the best proposal. And of course, don't forget to attach a Loom video showing that you'd be the best for the position. And in 30 days, there is no reason you can't close at least 3 clients, or at least make over 3K per month. And if you stay consistent, improve your skills over time, and build your portfolio, build your value, 10K per month isn't a question of if, it's just a question of when. So I'll leave some videos on screen now that you can click on after this one, but that's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.